Hello everybody. Today I have come with another part of the same chapter, that is the determination of equilibrium level of income, output and employment with the help of the saving and investment approach. In the beginning I told you, even though we say there are two approaches to the problem of determination of equilibrium level of income and output in the economy, yet these two approaches, they are the same, the one and the same, because if aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, means automatically the saving becomes equal to investment. So there, in theory we say that there are two approaches, but they are the same and one. You can prove this, that at equilibrium, as you know, as per this C plus I approach, the aggregate demand should be equal to the aggregate supply, and we achieve the equilibrium level of income. So at equilibrium, the AD should be equal to the S, and as you know, the AD has two components, that is C plus I, and the aggregate supply has two components, that is C plus S. And now if C is common, then saving is equal to investment automatically. But when you say saving is equal to investment, that means when you say the equilibrium level of the economy, the equilibrium level of income in the economy is determined when the saving is equal to investment. That means here we must be particular. Saving is equal to investment means the ex ante saving should be equal to the ex ante investment. In other words, the planned saving, ex ante saving means the planned saving. The planned saving should be equal to the planned investment. Planned saving is ex ante saving, planned investment is ex ante investment. So ex ante saving should be equal to the ex ante investment. And here I want to specify that the actual saving may or may not be equal to the actual investment. But for the determination of equilibrium level income, the planned saving must be equal to the planned investment. Am I clear? And if they are not equal, if planned saving is not equal to planned investment, then automatic forces will bring back to equality. That we'll discuss in the next video. Now we'll show this, or we'll explain this saving investment approach first with the help of a table, then with the help of a diagram. First we'll go for a table. We have income, that is Y. Then we have consumption, that is C. We have saving, that is S. Then we have investment, that is I. Then we have here we will remark. So we take income 0, and as you know, there is autonomous consumption. Consumption cannot be 0. Consumption, some consumption there, and how much consumption we have at 0 level of income, that is your autonomous consumption. Let us say it is arbitrary, it is up to you. You can write 40, 50, 30 as per your wish. So let us say it is 40. That means autonomous consumption is 40. And if autonomous consumption is 40, then this suddenly at this level the saving will be minus 40. And investment, because we have taken autonomous investment, and autonomous investment, that is investment which remains fixed at all level of income. So you can take any value, and whichever value you take, that will remain constant for all level of income. Let us say this is also 40. Now remark, what at this level of income, how much is saving? Saving is minus 40. What is investment? Investment is 40. Then what is the remark? The saving is less than investment. So no equilibrium. Now we have gone the income level of 100. Consumption increases at the rate of 80%. Let us say the MPC is 0.8. So the consumption increased by 80 rupees. So it will become 120. So the saving is minus 20. Investment is same 40. and again what? The saving is less than investment. Now the income, we take 200, consumption increase at the rate of same 80%, so it becomes 200. So naturally the saving is 0. Investment is 40. Again, saving is less than investment. But what does this approach say? That equilibrium will be achieved only when saving is equal to investment. But abhi now, up to this level, we have seen saving is less than investment. That means no equilibrium is achieved. Now we take the income 300, consumption 280, saving, it become first time it become positive 20, investment same 40, still then saving is less than investment. Now we have taken the income level of 400 and consumption is 360. So saving is 40, investment is 40. So saving is equal to investment. And this is the equilibrium level up. Because as per this approach, here at when the income is 400, saving is equal to investment. That is the plant saving is 40 and the plant investment is 40. So saving is equal to investment. So 400 is the equilibrium level of income. And here we see as per this approach, the equilibrium level of income is determined. That is at the level of 400. You may take whatever unit you can use, 400 crores or whatever. Now after that, what will happen? Now if we continue, you see, you take 500. If you take 500, then this will become 440. And if it is 440, and this will be 60. Saving will be 60. And your investment is 40. Now saving will be more than investment. Only saving will be more than investment. Your saving will be more than investment, means no equilibrium. So equilibrium is achieved only when saving is equal to investment, and the equilibrium income as per this table is 400 crores. I hope I'm clear. This is once again I'm telling, this is the income we have taken, this is the consumption we have taken, this is saving, this is investment, and here we have taken the remark. And why the investment is all same? Because we have taken autonomous investment, and whatever investment decided, that will remain fixed. Autonomous investment refers to the investment which remains fixed at all level of income. So at 0 level of income, your consumption, autonomous consumption, so that is 40. That's why saving is minus 40, investment is 40. So saving is less than investment, no equilibrium. When the income is 100, saving is, so consumption becomes 120 because MPC we have taken 0.8, so that it becomes 120, and saving is minus 20. Again, investment is 40, saving is less than investment, no equilibrium. When income is 200, consumption is 200, saving is 0. And this is what, again, I want to ask a question. What is this income level called? This is called break-even income. This is called break-even income. If consumption is equal to income and saving is 0, this level of income is called break-even income. Yaad rakho, break-even level, break-even level, break-even income. Consumption is equal to income, so saving is 0. Saving is 0, investment 40, again saving is less than investment. No equilibrium. And income we have taken 300, consumption 280, saving become positive, that is 20, but it is still less than the investment. So when the income is 400 crores, that time we see the consumption is 360, so saving becomes 40, investment is 40, and saving is equal to investment, and this is the equilibrium level of income. Because beyond that, what we find, saving becomes more than investment. Again, there is no equilibrium. So if saving is less than investment, no equilibrium. If saving is more than investment, no equilibrium. Saving, investment, equilibrium is achieved only when saving is equal to investment. And in the table, we have shown that this equilibrium level income is achieved when the income level is 400. Now we'll go for the diagrammatic presentation of this set. You can explain this with the help of a diagram. diagrammatic. Diagrammatic presentation, we can combine these two approaches together and show in one diagram. Upper portion will take the two parts of the diagram. The upper portion will see the equilibrium in terms of aggregate demand and aggregate supply, and a lower portion will see the equilibrium through saving and investment. This is OX, this is OY, again this is OX, and this is OY, right? And in both the cases, OX axis measures income, output and employment, and here also income, output and employment, right? And here we have aggregate demand, and here we have saving and investment. And for equilibrium, first we have drawn the aggregate supply curve AS, that is C plus S, and we have drawn the aggregate demand. This is aggregate demand, which is C plus I, and we see the equilibrium is achieved at point E, where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. And from here, if you draw the perpendicular, then the equilibrium level of income is OY. Now, we extend this line to the saving investment approach here, and then I put this is investment line, which is II, that is the investment line, and we draw the, and as you know, the saving curve will always start from the negative area of the y-axis because of autonomous consumption, and the saving curve starts from here. This is saving, and here invest. This is F. Equilibrium is achieved. So in terms of saving and investment, this is the equilibrium. And here in terms of aggregate demand and aggregate supply, this is equilibrium. Right? And this is OY, and this is also. So this is how we can explain the determination of equilibrium level of income with saving and investment approach. And again, this diagram again proves that if aggregate demand becomes equal to aggregate supply, automatically saving becomes equal to investment. That we have seen in the diagram also, because point F is corresponding to point E. So in terms of aggregate demand and aggregate supply, the equilibrium is achieved here. And corresponding to that point, we have point F in the lower segment, and where saving is equal to investment. So this is about the determination of equilibrium level of income, output, and employment through this saving and investment. Thank you all. If you like this video and if you want to encourage me to put more such video in future, so please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.